Today, the children of Montessori Minds went on a magical adventure, off to visit Norlane Dental. Up, up and away, the Tooth Fairy welcomed the children in and let them try the magic dental chair. With just a flick of her wand, the chair rose higher and higher, then gently floated back down. The children giggled with every wriggle and wobble. Then came a very special guest, Mr. Dragon. Together with the Tooth Fairy, he showed the children how to brush their teeth the proper way. Next, it was time to explore. The Tooth Fairy introduced the children to all sorts of dental tools. There was the suction, a gentle one that tickled, and a stronger one that whooshed. There was also the air and water tool, spraying tiny cool bursts. One by one, the children reached out to feel each tool on their hands, giggling at every new sensation. And finally, the magic lamp. With just a wave of their hands, the children turned it on and off, watching the light change from white to yellow. The children thanked the Tooth Fairy for a wonderful and magical day at Norlane Dental.